Hello everyone! Welcome to the very first video on English Vibes. I'm Emma, and I'm so excited to start this journey with you.
And I'm John. Thank you for clicking on our first lesson. It means a lot to us.
Yes, we're building this channel to help you learn simple, natural English in a fun and easy way.
Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new lessons.
All right, let's begin our first topic, basic greetings in English.
Since this is our first video, let's tell you what to expect from English Vibes.
In every video, we'll teach you real conversations, simple grammar, daily English, and speaking practice.
And we will talk naturally, like friends.
Just relax and learn with us, step by step.
Greetings are the first words you use when you meet someone.
Yes, good greetings help you sound confident and polite.
And they help you start conversations easily.
So, let's learn them. The most common greeting in English is hello.
Simple, clear, works everywhere.
Hi is friendly and casual.
You can use it with family, friends, or classmates.
Good morning.
Use it before 12 p.m.
Great for school or work.
Good afternoon.
Use it from 12 p.m. to around 5 p.m.
Polite and professional.
Good evening.
Use it after 5 p.m.
Remember, this is a greeting, not a goodbye.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening. After the greeting, people ask, "How are you?"
Here are easy replies. I'm good. I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing great. I'm okay. Not bad.
And don't forget to ask, "And you?"
Here are some casual greetings for friends. Hey, what's up? How's it going?
These are relaxed and friendly.
But don't use them in formal situations.
For school, meetings, or polite situations, use, "Hello, nice to meet you."
How do you do?
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
These sound respectful. Let's show you a natural conversation using basic greetings.
You can repeat or listen.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, a friendly one.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, Emma.
Hey, what's that?
Nothing much. How's it going?
Pretty good. Before we end, let's review today's greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? Nice to meet you. Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Practice these every day.
Since this is our first video, we really want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, which greeting do you use the most in your daily life?
We'll read every comment because we're building this channel together.
Thank you for watching the first lesson on English Vibes.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.
See you in the next video.